Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys have been doing well. So this video is a high topic right now, and I know a lot of YouTubers like to talk about how much money they made, especially YouTubers that have been established. Shout out to Shifu, love you dog. Let's talk about how much a small YouTuber who started a channel about 2 to 3 months ago made. So for my videos, I enabled AdSense a little too early. So you're supposed to enable it when you have 1,000 subscribers. I have to get like 4,000 hours of watch time, which is a lot of watch time. I didn't realize how much it was, but once I had one of my American Express credit card videos blow up, I started getting views rapidly, and then I applied for it, but I didn't have enough watch time minutes, but I still applied anyways because I knew because of the trend I was heading, I was gonna get approved anyways. But the first time I got denied for AdSense. The second time it took months for them to approve me, and I just got approved like last week. So within the last week, how much did I make at what, 2,000 subs? And I get about, I would say I range from 1,000 to 7,000 to 10,000 views a video. I've made $113 just off AdSense so far. Now, I don't know if people care about this or if this interests you. One of the things you guys should know, and Shifu's mentioned this before too, this is a financial channel. So, and I mean, our CPM is much higher than anyone else's in the niche because the way the advertising system works is people need to bid. This is how Facebook ads works. This is how Google ads work, and YouTube ads is paid off by Google ads, which is paid off by clicks. Facebook is done by impressions. The difference is if someone views your ad, you're still getting charged. If someone clicks your ad on YouTube, that's when they get charged. You can view ads a million times, but you won't get money until they actually click it. Now, I made about $100, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of like my CPM that I'm getting at the moment. So this video right here, where I look like a fool, this video had 7,000 views and I got about $35 roughly. It was less than a 10-minute video, and the reason why a lot of YouTubers try to make it 10-minute videos is because you can sneak in ads in there and you can really control how many ads go into it. And the more ads that are viewed and the more ads that are clicked, the more you get paid. Unfortunately for me, a lot of my videos are under 10 minutes and I don't feel like going through and placing ads like this. That's just not me. But that's how much I made. So 7 divided by 35 is about $5, and I'm getting a pretty good CPM. Sometimes on some of my videos, I got $10 for 1,000 views. Like my what's in my wallet video, this one got me $13. Now it's nothing crazy, you guys. That's literally like a meal maybe if I go to Chipotle or Five Guys. Now Five Guys expensive as shit. If I go to Chipotle, that's like a little meal. And the reason why this one's only $13, even though I got about 9,000 views, is because this was after I got enabled for AdSense. So at this point, I think I was at like 6,000 views, and then like 3,000 more views gave me the $15, roughly around $5 per CPM. What I realized is my audience retention reflects on how much I make. How long the video reflects on how much I make. And really the content for that day, if I'm engaging you guys and if I'm making a good video, then I see that my CPM is a little bit more than average. The way that YouTube really works, and what I've realized is even if I don't post, now my previous videos are still building up the ad revenue. So it's like a spirit bomb, you know what I'm saying? If y'all watch Dragon Ball Z, that joint starts small, but the bigger it gets, it's exponentially increasing, and it's kind of snowballing and turning into something big. So I don't expect to make that much from YouTube. That's not the reason why I'm doing it. I'm really just trying to get my name out there and trying to get my brand out there. That's really the reason why. Like $5 to $10 a video, that's nothing when I spend 4 hours, 5 hours trying to prep, record, and then push a video out. But this is something I wanted to make. I don't know if anyone cares about how much a 2,000 sub YouTuber makes, but I think it's gonna be nice if I actually look back at this video in the future and be like, damn, I used to be poor as shit back then. And then I can look back in the future and see how much I made. Another thing is, I don't know why this got so many dislikes. Come on, y'all. Come on. It's okay. If you guys want to dislike it, you can, because it's still engagements and I still get views anyways. With that video, where is the box? The box is somewhere still in here. I think y'all just hate it because everyone thought I got the card, but I was just doing an unboxing on the box. Like, can a boy not just do an unboxing on the box? 2018. It's time for something new. But yeah, guys, this is kind of like an update on my channel. I wanted to talk about this. Ooh, I also want to talk about how much I've made using referral links and also using the things I've mentioned in the video. So I've mentioned a few affiliate links in the video, and I'll share how much I made exactly with everything. Just so far doing YouTube. So I mentioned Ebates in my video, and with that, this is actually pretty impressive. Y'all see me? So at Ebates, we're at $425 right now from referring people to sign up for Ebates. And if you guys signed up for it, there's like a 3-step procedure that you have to do, because I've had about 40 people, 30 to 40 people sign up for my Ebates link. But what you guys need to do is actually spend money on it. Like, you guys need to spend money, save money, do what you need to do. Otherwise, you don't get qualified. 40 times 25. Where's my calculator, man? Where the shit's my calculator? Sorry guys, dropped out of college. It's about a K, all right? That's about $1,000 just from doing a referral video. And out of those 40 people, I've only had like 13 people actually buy something, save money, and Ebates funded me a check. So that's how much I made from eBay. So far, $100 from YouTube, $425 from Ebates. From Cash App, I made $0. I thought I would make a decent amount from Cash App just by referring people. Nope, I made $0. And I know people signed up for my link because I've had people message me and tell me. I just don't think I put like the correct referral code, or something wrong happened. So your boy's at $0 right here. Cash App, I don't know if they're liable. Like, how can I know if someone signed up? Cash App's kind of a little shady with that. So Cash App, $0. Amazon referral links, I made about $70 so far, $70 to $80. You guys are gonna have to take my word for it. I don't want to pull it up right now, but it's because some guy, I was making like $1 or $2 off like a link purchase or a book, or like 20 cents. You don't make that much using Amazon. Someone, I don't know who it was, one of my viewers bought a $2,000 laptop, and I got a $50 referral code, and I don't link a laptop in my video. It was just in his cart. So if you guys didn't know, if you're looking to buy something on Amazon and you're trying to help someone out on YouTube, just click their referral link and then shop whatever you have in your cart, because everything you check out, they still get the affiliate bonus to that, even though it's not the item that they linked. So no matter what you buy, I'm still gonna get the commission for it. Or whoever you want to support, they're gonna get the commission for it. Now Amazon 70, 80, eBates like 4. So we're at like $500, $600 including YouTube. Credit cards. So from referring people to credit card, with Discover, 5 people signed up for the Discover card. Not that many people. I was surprised with the Discover card. So 5 people, around $200, $250 I made from Discover, and then I got 55,000 membership reward points back from the American Express Gold card. From the American Express reward points from the Gold card video I made, which is 55,000 points, that's equivalent to like 300, 500 max if I get a good promo and transfer it to a partner. So from YouTube, so far at 2,000 subs, I think I've made $1,000 more or less. You guys do the math for me. I haven't checked my Chase balance at all. I don't know if anyone has clicked the referral links for the Chase links. If you guys do, that's cool. If you guys don't, that's even though I started this channel like 2 months ago, even being able to see that I made like $1 or $5, or even make like a 20-cent commission, and I know that someone else bought a book and it's helping that person, or someone got referred for a credit card and they're maximizing their sign-up bonus, that means more to me than any kind of money I can make. Now, my goal right now outside of YouTube is I have my business, I have a social media marketing agency, and these are the 3 things that I'm focused on right now. So for the year of 2019, instead of doing 10 things, I'm trying to just do 3 and focus on one. And that's really my direction. 2019 is really the year where I build on top. 2018 was the year I started this channel, was when I started business. It was when I got into entrepreneurship and just started everything. But 2019, I'm trying to exponentialize everything, if that's a word. I'm trying to just make everything go in like this. All right, so if you guys want to stay more connected with me, follow my journey, follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM. I reach back out to 99% of the people. Other than that, you guys, there's not much to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a little something. If you guys are trying to start your own YouTube channel, comment down below if I inspired you. I'll go sub to you, I'll go comment to you, drop a like, and I just want to help people out because there is a lot of space, and although we miss kind of, you know, like that technological boom that they say, we're still in an amazing time in life, okay? They say there's 2 of the best times to hop into internet or computer science or marketing or Amazon FBA or dropshipping. There's 2 of the best times, all right? The first best time was 5 years ago. Second best time is right now, guys. I hope you guys take action. I hope this guy's influenced you. Let me know if this helped you out, you guys. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, also shout out to Devlon Northwest. I don't know if he watched my videos. This guy sent me this jacket. He's another YouTuber. He sent me this. Jung fresh. All right, guys. Shout out. Peace. See ya.